So a friend of mine just called, and he's right here in Washington, D.C., and his car battery died, and so we were going to give him a jump. Look at where he's at. It's kind of crazy because he's not supposed to be there because the traffic just kicked up. So I have this Red Fuel, right? And I'll put a link below if this works. If it doesn't, then I won't. Tiny thing. I turn it on, right? I push this red button. Alright, green, start your car.
Alright, move back, boys.
Let's see if this works. Stop it! See that?
Woo! Alright.
This is so cool. So I'll link to this, and I'll also, Mike Peasy was just leading worship at David's tent, and so I'll also link to his YouTube channel down below as well, because you guys should go and check him out.